App Synthetic Monitor provides a mechanism to synthetically validate availability and response times for an application. Among the features are multi-step script execution, full-page monitoring, and real browser monitoring. Tests are conducted from 83 locations worldwide. Our list of monitoring stations shows where they are located, their current status, and the capabilities supported at that location. Now, let's log in. I'm going to use Gunter's account, but you will of course use your own credentials. Gunter has been using the system for a while, and therefore has a number of monitors already configured. We can therefore see several recent checks and a degradation in availability. Within the Monitors section, we can see monitors Gunter has already created. We're going to create a new monitor. The types of monitors reflect the features we saw on our initial screen, from basic HTTP availability to DNS resolution and other services, such as SFTP or LDAP tests. We are going to do a real browser monitor execution. To get this started, we'll want to create a Webdriver script. To create the script, we're going to use a recording tool within the browser. In this case, Catalan. Catalan supports a couple of major browsers and provides a user interface to record and edit the steps. Since I have Catalan installed already, let me open the plugin. Here, I'm adding a new test suite to organize tests and adding a test that will verify navigation through the Broadcom support site. Now, I'll start the recording and go to the Broadcom support page. We need enterprise software. Then, let's look at the documentation. APM technologies are part of IT operations management. Now, we'll pick App Synthetic Monitor, and the section of the documentation will be On-Premise Monitoring Station. Let's flip back to Catalan, where we can see the steps we recorded. I'll stop the recording and save this as an XML file. That's the format required for App Synthetic Monitor. Back in App Synthetic Monitor, I named this Webdriver monitor and then upload the script we just created. When we save the monitor, it will verify it can execute all the steps in the script with one of the remote monitoring stations. It may take a moment or two to complete this verification. Now App Synthetic Monitor has been able to execute our test, and we see it ran it from the Portugal location. We're going to review the 12-second video, which shows our browser being operated by the Webdriver. Very quickly, it will navigate to the OPMS documentation. This just showed the results for a single test, but to see how trends get established, let's return to our monitor and then look at the graphs. Here we can see response broken down by transfer, connect, processing, and resolve time, trends we can follow over iterations to ensure the page performs acceptably.